Best motorcycle for beginners: Honda CB500F. The allure of motorcycling is undeniable, promising freedom, exhilaration, and the open road. For beginners, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal step in their journey. The Honda CB500F, renowned for its accessible power, sporty design, and beginner-friendly features, emerges as the ultimate naked sport bike for those starting their adventure in the world of two-wheel exploration. With its balanced performance, modern aesthetics, and rider-focused attributes, the CB500F provides an ideal platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Honda CB500F lies a capable 471cc parallel twin engine. This engine strikes a harmonious balance between power and approachability, delivering satisfying performance while ensuring a manageable learning curve for beginners. Sporty design and aesthetic appeal. The CB500F boasts a sporty and aggressive design that mirrors its larger sport bike counterparts. Its sharp lines, minimalistic fairings, and distinctive styling elements capture the essence of sport bike prowess, appealing to riders seeking a bike that's visually striking and performance-oriented. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also take pride in the CB500F's sporty aesthetics. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. Despite its sporty appearance, the CB500F is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers an upright and comfortable riding position that ensures ease during spirited rides and daily commutes. The well-contoured seat, wide handlebars, and neutral foot peg position contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Honda CB500F is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis, precise steering, and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, winding roads, and varying riding conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the CB500F often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to master the motorcycle. Urban commutes and spirited escapes. The CB500F's versatility extends beyond spirited rides. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between urban commuting and spirited escapes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's sporty and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand and the CB series create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the CB500F's attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda CB500F encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport riding. Fuel efficiency and cost savings. The CB500F is renowned for its fuel efficiency, which not only reduces environmental impact but also translates into cost savings for riders. It enables longer rides without frequent fuel stops, making it an ideal choice for both daily commutes and long-distance adventures. Variety to suit every rider. The CB500F offers a versatile platform with various color options and accessories to cater to different rider preferences. Whether it's track days, canyon carving, or daily commuting, the CB500F can be customized to meet the needs of each sport bike enthusiast. Conclusion. The Honda CB500F exemplifies Honda's commitment to providing the perfect naked sport bike for beginners. With its accessible performance, sporty design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the CB500F offers an immersive gateway to the thrill of sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Honda CB500F as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sportiness, exhilaration, and the joy of conquering the open road on two wheels.